Welcome to GS2 Web Sauce Form by GSheetPress. When you only have a few options, dropdowns feel like overkill. Visitors want to see their choices instantly. That's exactly what the GroupButton field type solves, a compact button-style way to pick one option fast. Let's build one, say asking visitors which plan they're interested in. Start with your label. Set the input type to GroupButton. Mark it required so they have to choose one. List your options in data, separated by commas. I'll go with Starter, Pro, Agency. Want one pre-selected, fill it in default. Add a tooltip to guide them. Done. Then run Publish Form, and your changes go live instantly. In the live form, visitors just tap one button, clean, fast, no scrolling. And just like radio, only one option can ever be selected at a time.